I welcome you all once more in the class of adjectives. Here we are understanding the adjectives. In the last two classes, we understood about different kinds of adjectives. Today also, we are going to understand a very important thing about adjectives, how adjectives are classified, or we can say how these are put according to different groups. So let's see classification. Classification classification of adjectives, how adjectives are put in different categories. Classification of adjectives. Adjectives are put in different categories, different groups. So let's see what are these groups. The first one is adjective of quantity or number. First one, adjective of quantity or number. The second one, adjective of quality. The third one, adjective of opinion. Then adjective of size. After that, adjective of shape. No, adjective of size, then adjective of age. Age, then adjective of shape, then adjective of color, adjective of color. After that, adjective of origin, then adjective of material. After that, adjective of purpose. So, as you have seen, there are a number of adjectives, there are a number of groups in which adjectives are put together. They are put in different type of groups. First group is adjective of quantity and number. As we know that here that all the adjectives which indicate the number of the noun or which tell you about the quantity of noun, such adjectives are put in this category. Then the second one, adjective of quality. Here all the adjectives of such type are put in which we want to know what kind of adjectives are these. Okay, we get an idea about the quality of nouns. Then the next one is adjective of opinion. Here we will give our opinion regarding the noun. Okay, so this opinion will be counted as adjective of opinion regarding those nouns. Then adjective of size. So as the name suggests, we will talk about the size of the noun. There are different type of size. We will talk about them. Then shape. Size, then after that age. We will talk about whether it is new, whether it is old, whether it is modern, whether it is ancient. Okay. Then we will talk about the shape. Shape, whether it is cylindrical, whether it is rectangular, whether it is circular. Color, we know whether it is red, black, yellow, green, whatever. Origin. Origin means whether it belongs to India, means Indian, Chinese, American, African, Australian. Okay, what is the origin? And then material. Material means from which material, raw material it is made. Okay, golden, wooden, plastic, steel. So whatever matter, purpose. Here we will talk about certain purposes for which this noun is used. So let's understand about it. We will understand some examples of these examples. A lot of, little, much. These are used with uncountables. Okay. Some, any, many. These will be used with numbers. We also use numerals. Numerals like 5, 6. Okay, we use the numerals also. So instead of writing 5, 6, I will say numerals here. Okay, so these are the examples how these are used. There are so many, but these just indicate that these indicate the adjectives of that which are used with uncountables and which are used with countables. Okay. Now adjective of quality. Here you can talk about certain quality like we can say gentle, sweet, fresh, stale. Okay, these are related to quality. Whether something is fresh, if we are talking about vegetables, fresh, stale, and qualities of human beings, cunning. There are many like this. Then opinion. What is your opinion? So your opinion, you can say something is fantastic, something is brilliant, like this. So opinion can be positive, it can be negative. Brilliant, fantastic, miserable, poor. Average. You can give your opinion like this. Okay. Then size, cylindrical, huge. No, here it is size, not the shape. It is the size. Okay. So here you can write massive, tiny, minute, huge, vast, gigantic. So this indicates about the size. Then age, teenage, modern, old, ancient, contemporary. So here age is indicated, then shape, whether cylindrical, circular, right angled, round, elongated. These words indicate the shape. Now color: red, blue, green, yellow. You write any color here. Origin: whether it is of African, Chinese, Italian, Australian, American, whatever origin is there, you will mention that. You can, apart from these countries or continents, you can also mention about some civilizations, okay, like Mesopotamian, Harappan. So American, Italian, Indian, Australian, okay. So in this way there can be many. Material means with which material this noun is made. So here you can talk about the material: plastic, wooden, steel, golden. So here you will talk about the material with which it is made. Wooden, you can also say woolen, cotton. Okay, in this way there can be many examples. Glass also, there are so many. And purpose. Purpose means for what purpose this noun is used. Okay. For example, brush is used for polishing. Okay, car is used for traveling from one place to another place. So here you use such words: polishing, reading, traveling. uh, Cleaning, washing, smoking. For example, a smoking pipe. Okay. So I hope you have understood what are the different groups in which adjectives are put, and adjectives are put in these categories and how these are used in different situations. So everything has been made very clear here. I hope there will be no problem in understanding these things. So with this I am ending the class. In the next class we will understand about the attributive use of adjectives and predicative use. We will understand about the correct order of the adjectives. If there are a number of adjectives used together, then what will be the correct order, we will understand in that class. Okay. So thank you for watching. And before I end, I just remind you, if you are a regular student, you recommend the channel, and if you are new, then subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Thank you.